Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to disable battery saving mode to increase this device's productivity. To do that, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Power and Sleep settings. Then once they load, you have to go to the Energy Saver, expand this tab, and if your Energy Saver is enabled, switch this toggle to the left, and this way you will disable it. Now, to disable it completely, you can expand this list and choose Never, and this way the battery saving mode will never start on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.